how to read Russian cursive. And again, hi, I am Tanya and I'm getting interactive. I live in Russia and I love Russian language. Once, a friend of mine said that all of the Russian letters look like houses. Yay! Later, it helped me with teaching kids. Thanks, Tarek. You might already know that Russian alphabet is Cyrillic, where some of the letters were taken from the ancient Greek alphabet and some were invented. So, this is the early Cyrillic alphabet. Then Peter the Great changed it a little, and then there was a revolution and it was either changed. Yay! That's what we have now. If you're really interested in history of Russian language, you can check this on Arzamas or wait for my video about it in English. Spoiler! Russian alphabet could look like this. And living in Russia, I sometimes need some of the letters of this alphabet. Okay, you learned it and got it and even can read it. Then you go to clinic and that's what you've got there. Okay. One day, I went to the pharmacy to get the medicine. The pharmacist was looking at the prescription for a long time and then she asked me, maybe you remember what the doctor said when she wrote this? I did not remember. Got something, hope it was right. Or, you rent a flat and suddenly there is something like this on your front door. The first one is more or less clear, but the second one, this, are you in trouble? Or you entered Russian university, skipped some classes, asked your friend for notes and got this. Yay! Or you just want to understand what those Russians think. I can help you. Is Russian cursive a cipher? Those ones really are. Doctor's handwriting is a real challenge, so we won't work with this now. Let's start with this one, as it's the simplest that I have for now. Let me trace the letters. Потерянные ключи у вахтерши. So for now, please try to take a look at the connections, that some of the letters have them and some not. That's just the way of handwriting. Sometimes people just write it without any connections at all, but most of Russian will connect everything, just believe me, even the numbers sometimes. Okay, now I show you the connections. They are red, I marked them. And so we'll remove all of them and make it a little bit more readable, so you can see how better text is getting. Okay, so now let's put them separately and take a look. Here we have readable text. Потерянные ключи. Hope it's really easy. Yay, we did it. Okay, now it's my turn to write something. Потерянные ключи у вахтерши в диспетчерской. And today's day. Great, now let's mark them. Just some flowers to make it more beautiful. This note means that if you lost your keys, you can find them at the concierge desk. Great! Now write your note. That's simple then that you can copy and share it on my Reddit page. And don't forget to check your keys. Well done! Now, if you find somebody's keys, you can become a good neighbor or even find friends. So, download the worksheets, print them, practice, and love Russian. Bye bye, everyone. I'm still Tanya, and I'm still getting interactive. Subscribe, write your comments, give me advice, help me with my English, share your knowledge, check free for personal user resources below the video, support me on Patreon, and also you can share some nice notes you'll seen and we'll describe them together. Bye!